Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Rahane and I welcome you all on behalf of Saraswat International Academy. Students, today we will learn chapter number 8, that is Charts in Calc part 2. In last session student, we learned how to create chart as well as how to apply legend, how to change the design as well as how to change the background color we learned in last session. Now in this session we are going to learn working example. Students, if you have the open, then open page number 240. Okay, so we are taking now practical number 12. So let's open first open office. Now the example is, consider data given in table 8.2 representing the similar situation. Right, there they written the movie type, action, comedy, drama, science fiction, and value in percentage they written 30, 35, 20, 15. So same thing, first we will write here. First they written movie type, so I am writing here movie type. After that action, so I am writing here action. After that comedy, I am writing here comedy. After that drama, I am writing here drama. After that science fiction, so I am writing here science fiction. Okay student, now after that value in percentage, so I am writing here value in percentage. First 30, then 35, then 20, then 15. Okay, after that enter data shown in table into a Calc worksheet and save it by giving appropriate name. So I save this data by name file. Okay, I am saving on desktop by name movie data. Save. After that student, select insert chart, so you have to select this data. After that insert menu, and insert menu select the chart option, so here select chart option. Now select the chart type as a pie chart, so from here we have to select the type pie chart. Choose 3D look and simple chart, choose 3D look and simple chart. Okay, give the data range, data series and chart element. Press finish button. So from here, after that next data series already applied, data range also applied, data series also applied, chart element we will write later on. So this is your student chart of the movie data type. Okay, see here the action you given percentage 30%, so action is in blue color 30%. Then comedy 35%, comedy 35%, drama 20%, so drama 20%, and science fiction 15%, so here 15%. Suppose here I am making it action 50 and this one science fiction I am writing 2% and this one also 5%. So have you changed? You can see that in the pie chart also the change occurs. After that student, you can see the chart as shown in figure, as well as you can see the values are displayed along with the chart. To pull out a portion of a pie chart, just select the area using mouse key. If you want to pull this portion, then select the area of the mouse key. Using the mouse, drag the area at the desired position. If you want to pull out it, so you have to change the chart type first. So it's already in group, that's why it's not able to change. If you want to do the further formatting, select the chart, select the chart formatting toolbar appear to you. Chart formatting toolbar. Go to here, chart formatting, pie. This one you have to select. 3D look, simple. Next. Okay, wait. Select the data, chart, pie chart, 3D look, realistic, not realistic, we want simple, so this one simple. Next, finish. Okay student, so this is your the next step. If you want to drag it, you can drag this. Got it student? Using the facility, you can change the chart type, chart area, data series, font effect, appearance of axis, legend grid, chart float and wall, etc. That we seen in last session also student. How we can make the font bold and increase the font size. Similarly, you can format the legend of the chart and make the fonts of legend bigger. Suppose if you want to do anything from here student, so you can do it from here. Right click, chart type, data range, 3D view, insert title. If you want to insert title, suppose the title is the movie type, this is your title, so write it here, so you will get here title. If you want to insert 3D view, if you want to change 60 degree in place of I am writing here 80 degrees, so this is 80 degrees. Got it student? Now your next topic, that is adding hyperlink to the chart, that is your practical number 13. So hyperlink is a reference to data. It can be followed by selecting it. A hyperlink may point to a whole document or part of document. The text which embeds such a links within it called hypertext. स्टूडेंट हम लोग हाइपरटेक्स्ट किसको बोलेंगे? जो टेक्स्ट आपके लिंक के साथ एम्बेडेड होता है उसको हम लोग हाइपरटेक्स्ट बोलते हैं. Once a chart is created, you can set hyperlink to the whole chart or to a component of a chart. If user click on a hyperlink, it will lead the user to predefined destination. So you may set hyperlink to a document of the web, document within your local area network, computer, or to a new document. For any type of hyperlink, you must have a chart. So student, how to apply hyperlink over here? Go to the step wise. The first step is enter data and create a chart of sub suitable type. Second, verify the chart and select using the mouse key. Then third, select insert hyperlink. So I select this, insert hyperlink option student. Once you click on it, it will offer you 4 options regarding the destination of the link. Okay, which are the 4 options? Internet, mail and news, document.
Updates have been applied.
Document. After that is you can hyperlink the chart to the internet mail and news document or new document. So figure shows these 4 ways. By default, the first option is internet is highlighted, and as a target you may give the destination URL such as a google.com. So you are supposed to have an internet connection. If you want to experiment the link, if everything goes right, the chart will lead you to Google main page when click. Alternatively, any type of hyperlink is followed by pressing Ctrl Enter. Okay student, so suppose this actually will require internet, there is no internet connection, but if you want to do this internet, for that you have to write here the path. Okay, and after that once you apply it here, it will be opened by Google page. Okay, now next is linking a chart to a mail. That is your practical number 14. Suppose here I am writing google.com. Let's see what happens today. Right, correct. Have you understood, student? So suppose, like example, if you write here the web link, so from here only you can open directly Google website. Now next, linking a chart to a mail. अगर सेम चीज अगर हम लोग को मेल के थ्रू करनी है तो हम लोग कैसे करेंगे? तो यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करो, सेम ऑप्शन हम लोग को जाना है इंसर्ट पे, हाइपर लिंक और मेल एंड न्यूज के पेज पे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट स्टूडेंट, यहाँ पे अगर सपोज मैं रिसीवर में लिखता हूँ एक मेल आईडी, मैं मेरा ईमेल आईडी डालता हूँ और फिलहाल मोबाइल से मैं इंटरनेट ऑन करके स्टूडेंट आपको ये दिखा दो कि मेल कैसे वर्क करेगा. ओके, सब्जेक्ट है कंप्यूटर विथ शैलेश सर, और उसके बाद मैं इसको अप्लाई करता हूँ. और इसको हम लोग न्यूज़ को भी सिलेक्ट करके अप्लाई करते हैं और क्लोज करते हैं. ठीक है. सिमिलरली फॉर you need to provide information about the receiver and subject of the mail. The chart will be required for mailing to the receiver's address when you select the apply option. However, this process remains offline and require a mail client set at background. And similarly for news option, you need to configure news server, choose close button at the end. So let's see first student, this mail is received or not. I am opening from here mail. Because of mobile connection, it's take little bit time student. No, there is not a single mail from OpenOffice. Maybe it's an internet issue student. It's okay, fine. Then the next topic, exporting the chart and other option. So you can export your document containing chart as a portable document file having PDF extension. To do so, perform following step. So select file, export, go to the file option and export. Once you select the export option, you may see the screen as shown in figure. You will see two options such as export the file as okay, file, first save, then file, export. So from here you can write file export as a PDF, right? There is the all option, all JPG compression, that is on. After that create PDF form, okay, and export bookmark, okay. Here quality 90%, okay. Now once you click on export, you will get the PDF of this file. So let's check it, is it creating or not. It will take little bit time, student. See here PDF is created, student. Means whatever you do in open office, that same work you can make as an PDF. ओके स्टूडेंट, उसी चीज की हम लोग PDF भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. PDF एक्सपोर्ट होते हुए ये थोड़ा टाइम लेगा, बट PDF क्रिएट हो जाएगी आपकी. ठीक है, तो देखो इस तरीके से आपका PDF बना स्टूडेंट. समझ में आया? चलो नाउ नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिकल, कॉपिंग द चार्ट. फॉर कॉपिंग चार्ट to writer, Impress and other documents, you have to select chart. You may go to edit menu and choose require option also. Go to the destination document and use paste command. अभी मान लो स्टूडेंट यहाँ से ये चार्ट हमें कॉपी करना है. कहाँ पे करना है? तो यहाँ से मैं ओपन ऑफिस से डॉक्यूमेंट ओपन करता हूँ. ओके, और यहाँ पे ये दूसरे शीट पे मुझे कॉपी करना है, तो इसको मैं सिलेक्ट करूँगा, एडिट, कॉपी, शीट 2, एडिट, पेस्ट. तो इस तरीके से हम लोग इसको पेस्ट कर सकते हैं. फिर डिलीटिंग द चार्ट, डिलीट करना है तो सिंपल है, सिलेक्ट करो इसको एंड प्रेस डिलीट बटन, तो ये डिलीट हो जाएगा. या फिर यहाँ पे राइट क्लिक करो, कट, तो ये कट हो जाएगा. ओके, आफ्टर दैट प्रिंटिंग द चार्ट. अगर मुझे ये चार्ट प्रिंट करना है तो मैनी टाइम्स यू मे रिक्वायर प्रिंटिंग अ चार्ट एंड द वर्कशीट कंटेंट. परफॉर्म फॉलोइंग सिंपल स्टेप्स टू प्रिंट द चार्ट. कंट्रोल P दबाओ, प्रिंट का ऑप्शन खुलेगा स्टूडेंट. जैसे ये खुला, यहाँ पे आपका ऑप्शन पूछा जाएगा, तो आप यहाँ पे प्रिंटर का नाम, कौन सा PDF चाहिए, और प्रिंट का ऑप्शन. जैसे प्रिंट करोगे जैसे ये प्रिंट निकलेगा. उसके बाद इंसर्टिंग अदर मल्टीमीडिया ऑब्जेक्ट. Beside the chart, you can insert any multimedia object into a worksheet. The multimedia object include objects of multiple media such as picture and camera clips, video and movie clips, animated clip such as a GIF file, and 3D text. To insert a camera clip or a clip from your mobile, first you need to connect the device with your computer. Okay, student. यानी अगर आपको इसके अंदर सपोज पिक्चर भी डालना है, मान लो कि ये शीट है, इसके अंदर आपको पिक्चर इंसर्ट करना है, तो किस तरीके से कर सकते हैं? तो इंसर्ट पिक्चर फ्रॉम फाइल. अगर मोबाइल कनेक्ट, तो मोबाइल के थ्रू. फिलहाल मैं ये नॉर्मल पिक्चर यहाँ से इंसर्ट करता हूँ. ओके, कोई एक पिक्चर इंसर्ट करते हैं और इसको ओपन. तो इस तरीके से हम लोग पिक्चर को इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट, आफ्टर दैट प्रैक्टिकल नंबर 21, you can add a 3D text in a worksheet also. The 3D text in a Calc is known as a graphical text or art or frame font work. स्टूडेंट इसके अंदर अगर हम लोग 3D text डालते हैं तो उसको हम लोग font work नाम से जाना जाता है. To create a font work object, follow the steps given below. On the drawing toolbar or on the font work toolbar, click the font work gallery icon. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे ड्राइंग टूल बार, फॉन्ट वर्क टूल बार, I'm writing here Saraswat School. Okay student, now I select this option, view toolbar, font work. Select this. I want the style, this one. Okay. Saraswat School. Okay, student, this is completed now here. After that, suppose I want to change this style, font work, you can apply like this way also. If you want to change it again, you can set this way also. If you want to change it again, you can do this way also, right student? After that, if you don't want this, there is the another option, you can set this thing also here, ऐसा. ओके चलो, फिर से वो लिखना पड़ेगा. चलो, समझ में आया स्टूडेंट? सो हियर योर chapter number 8 is completed. Still, if you have any doubt, you can ask me next session or on my WhatsApp number. Thank you students, have a good day. In next session we will start chapter number 9.